Hi, and welcome there. Today we are going to see about Top Industries Blast. If you guys are new for my channel, please subscribe and check my videos. Now, let's get into the video. Number 1. Jiangshui Chemical Plant Explosion. On 21 March 2019, a major explosion occurred at a chemical plant in Xinjiang Chemical Industry Park at China. The facility located in Yanqing's industrial park was operated by Tianjia Chemical and was used to produce fertilizer or pesticides. Some sources reported that the plant produced organic chemicals, including some highly flammable compounds, and also reported that they crossed some of the laws, which includes highly dangerous chemicals they used. This blast makes more amount of radiations that cause damages, nearly around 22 kilometers, so 78 people were killed and at least 94 were severely injured, 32 of whom were critically injured. Around 640 people required hospital treatment and were taken to 16 hospitals. The injured included children at a local kindergarten as well. Apart from this, an analysis said 28 people were missing on severe search, 1 found alive at serious condition, 24 people found dead, and still some people stay missing. Number 2. Texas Chemical Plant Explosion. On April 17, 2013, an ammonium nitrate explosion occurred at the West Fertilizer Company storage and distribution facility in West Texas, 18 miles, 29 kilometers north of Waco.
Getting down low now with the wind blowing that way. It should collapse. There, looks like it's jumped out the window.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, you okay?
Dad?
You okay?
I can't hear.
Come here.
I can't hear. Get out of here. Please get out of here.
Oh my God.
While emergency services personnel were responding to a fire at the facility, 15 people were killed, more than 160 were injured, and more than 150 buildings were damaged or destroyed. Investigators confirmed that ammonium nitrate was the material that exploded.
Oh, you okay?
Dad?
You okay?
I can't hear.
Come
I
here.
can't hear. Get out of here. Please get out of here.
Oh my God.
Number 3. Pepkin Explosion. On May 4, 1988, a fire followed by several explosions occurred at the Pacific Engineering and Production Company of Nevada, Pepkin.
Was still extremely large for something that was
You can't tell me people got out of that.
But the destruction has only just begun. Minutes later, 2 smaller explosions ripped through the desert.
Oh, there's another one.
see people actually literally running through the desert, trying to just get away from Pepcon.
4 minutes after the initial blast, the fourth and largest explosion erupts from the factory. The explosion is so intense, a shockwave vaporizes a nearby factory and registers 3.5 on the Richter scale.
It was just like a war.
The disaster caused 2 fatalities, 372 injuries, and an estimated $100 million of damage. A large portion of the Las Vegas Valley, within a 10-mile, 16 kilometers radius of the plant, was affected, and several agencies activated disaster plans.
The explosion is so intense.
Number 4. Explosions at Ukrainian ammunition depot. And Ukrainian ammunition depot suddenly starts to firing. An uncontrolled situation, military peoples in nearby houses started evacuation. A woman who lived 50 kilometers away told the TV channel, even it is located a long distance, she could hear the explosions. The reason for sudden burst was not openly said. But no lifespans are taken by this incident, and also it caused no damage at all. Number 5. Chemical factory in Istanbul. A blast caused by a fire at a chemical factory in Istanbul sent a metal tank flying into the air and injured 2 firefighters. Several people were affected by fumes, but there were no reported life taken.
Kaç mı adam?
That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If it's so, comment me below. Thank you for watching.